and get your burger. Special offer for today. Big burger. Come and get your burger. How was today? Burger? Come on, let's go.
Oh, it's a great day. There's no emergency call. I can just relax and rest. Oh man, this is so relaxing. It's okay. It's lunchtime. What do I want for lunch? I'll get a banana or ice cream right there.
Burger. Come and get your burger.
Oh, there's a burger cell. Let's go, guys. I'm headed to the burger store. Wow, big burger. Let's try to order. Hello.
Hi there. Hello. What would you like to order? I have lots of foods today. There's the ribs, potatoes, burger, hamburger, hot dog. What would you like to order? Oh, I got a special offer.
That's so good, guys. Let's try to order it. Hey, can I have that order?
You want a big burger?
Yeah.
Okay, 1 minute.
Okay.
I'll prepare the food first, okay?
I'm so hungry. Oh my. An emergency call already? I'm getting lunch. Are you kidding me? This is an emergency call. Hello? Oh, there's an emergency call. Okay. I'm coming. What? I guess I have to leave. My lunch is already baked. Why? Fine. Let's go.
Okay, this is big yummy burger 4. Hey, where's the fireman go? Well, I think he'll miss his yummy big burger. This is my last big burger. Well, I think this is for my last customer. Next one.
Oh, I'm hungry, guys. Are you hungry, Bully? Oh, yes. Okay. Oh my God, the burger! I have to buy it. You want the burger? What? Yes, come on. Hello. Can I have a burger one and some ice cream one for him? Okay.
Oh, you want burger? Ice cream? 1 moment. I will prepare the food for you. It will be $30. Okay? Wait out. Okay, the burger is a very big burger and some ice cream for you. Here you go. That was very awesome ice cream and 1 banana. Here you go.
Wow.
Yeah, enjoy your meal. Have a lunch.
Excuse me, man. Is my food ready?
Oh, hi. Oh, I'm sorry.
What?
I've been selling one last burger to a lady.
I guess you have still one lollipop or something?
Oh, you feel so hungry?
Yeah.
Let me think. I guess. Oh, I know. I have an offer for you. Okay, I guess it's enough to you not to feel hungry.
Okay.
One moment, okay?
Okay.
Hey, here you go for you. It's a very big lollipop for you.
How much?
It's free for you. You are a hero for us, okay? Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Bye.
subscribe and like, and big thumbs up. Bye, 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 bye.